Hey everybody, I'm back with another video. Okay, so we're going to talk about what I use to help with my weight loss. Okay, as you can see, I have several different types of herbs here. Some are adaptogen herbs, and we've got some that will help suppress your appetite, and we also have some that will speed up your metabolism. It will also help detox the body, also as well as detox the liver. Some I wildcrafted myself, and then the others I bought, but I will have all that listed below. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bear with me, I'm new to this, but I'm working on it. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to talk about is the Damiana, which is, it helps with the digestive system. It's also relaxing and calming. What I did is I mixed in the Damiana and the green tea together. So you've actually got a mixture of both in here. Everybody knows that green tea is full of antioxidants, powerful, helps speed up your metabolism, and just gives you energy, okay? And the Damiana is, like I said, it's relaxing, it's calming. It also helps produce bile. It also helps work on your digestive system so that if you're constipated, you'll be able to use it as well. Okay, so we're going to talk about hibiscus. Hibiscus is very good in helping to lower inflammation. This is what it does is it hinders your body to process the glucose property, which can result in weight loss and in weight gain and diabetes. It contains an enzyme. Those enzymes will help to break down carbs and sugar and other molecules. So, and it's high in vitamin C. And the taste, it's got like a sour, bitterish taste to it, but it's really good, and it's a very unique flavor. And this right here is chickweed, which works as a great diuretic, also works as a great appetite suppressant, and it also helps with gas, any type of gas and bloating. I harvested this myself. I actually grow chickweed, and we're going to add this. So like I said, we've got the appetite suppressant, and then we've got these two here, and then we've got Moringa. These are Moringa leaves, which is an adaptogenic herb. So basically what that is whatever your body is lacking or whatever you need, it will help you to produce that. Like if you lack energy, if your blood sugar levels are high. I was borderline diabetic, and my doctor told me I needed to get it down, and this is one of the things that helped me to get away from being borderline. Okay, and so this one right here is jogulin. This herb right here, I love it. If you could just smell this herb. I mean, this is an adaptogenic herb as well. A lot of athletes use this herb for energy, endurance, to help speed up their metabolism. This right here is also good to help balance out your blood sugar levels. Great for diabetes, if that's the issue that you're having. But again, let me say this. Always do your homework on these herbs. Anything that you use to make sure it's good for you. This is what worked for me. Okay, and again, the smell, this herb, it has like this sweet, the taste of it is sweet, the smell is sweet, and it's just an amazing. And then right here we have Gotu Kola, which I know a lot of people are familiar with this herb. This right here, great herb. If your body's lacking something, this right here boosts collagen, helps with skin tightening, also is good for your metabolism, Just a great herb, okay? So right here we have mint. Mint is going to work by helping with your digestion, also good for bile, which will also help you if you're constipated. And so that's one thing that you definitely want to do. You want to be able to go to the bathroom. You also want to be able to sweat and detox, because if you're not detoxing your body, you're probably not going to be able to lose. So speaking of detox, let's go over here. This right here is Wildcrafted. Right here we have yellow dock root, and I also mixed it in with the dandelion root, which both of these are detoxifiers, and they are very, very good for your liver. You cannot have a sluggish liver and think that you're going to lose weight. You've got to filter out that liver, make sure it's clean and detoxed. And this is also great diuretic, also great for digestion, also great in producing bile, okay? Like, again, you want to be able to use the bathroom, you want to be able to sweat, okay? Right here, we have licorice root. Licorice root, great for weight loss, also very good in when your body's lacking something. And the taste of licorice root is amazing. It also has that sweet taste to it. Goes well with the hibiscus. Love it. Okay, right here we have the lemongrass. Love the smell and taste of lemongrass. When I tell y'all, lemongrass is amazing. So, and the benefits of lemongrass is just, I mean, what it does basically is very few calories and carbs, which it just works for your digestive system. It's amazing. It helps you get more energy. It helps you burn more fat. It's great if you need. It's a diuretic. It helps you release water. If you have excess water, you'll be able to release it more quickly. And it has this citrus flavor and earthy flavor at the same time. So all of these herbs, I chose them because they tie in well together, and you're getting appetite suppressant, you're getting diuretic, you're getting to where you'll be able to use the bathroom, you're getting where it speeds up your metabolism, it metabolizes the fat, it helps you burn. I mean, all these herbs, this is the reason why I chose it, and it worked well considering that I have PCOS. And we will get into that in another video, but this is really what helped me to keep my weight in check, keep it balanced, and just everything works in perfect harmony. So I'm going to go ahead and just add this all in one bowl really quickly so you all can see me put it together. And I do sell this on my site. And there are also pictures on my site. A little bit of my weight loss journey. And this really helped me after I got diagnosed with PCOS. I mean, lifesaver. I can sleep at night. I have energy. I'm able to go to the bathroom. This right here is everything.